Hi guys, today I want to make choco jar because I realized eat my sister's choco jar is very little, and I decided to make me own choco jar. And I went to the store to buy ingredients to make a choco jar. This is the ingredients you buy at the store. You can choose any product you like. First, let's wash the Tupperware. Drying the Tupperware. Let's melt the chocolate. Mix, mix, mix. Let's add the cereal in. Time to add the chocolate. Stir, stir, and stir. Not enough chocolate. Add more chocolate. And now you are done. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!